And welcome back. Today we're going to be cooking sardines out of a can. That's right, no pan, no prep, little fuss, and only about 3 ingredients. After this video, you'll be eating more sardines, I guarantee. So let's make some spicy sardines. These are the sardines we're using today. They're K&K habanero sardines. You can find them in the link below. We're also going to be using chopped green onions, and we're going to be using ichimi, which is a cayenne pepper. So all we're going to do first is just pop the lid off of these sardines. Be careful not to cut your hands while you're doing it. All right, there's our sardines. They look beautiful. Next, what we're going to do is turn on the heat. And what you want to do is make sure that it's on a low heat, because if you have it too high, then your sardines are going to boil and everything's going to get ruined. So we're going to put our sardines on a low heat, and then we're going to cook them until you see little bubbles in the habanero sauce. It's only going to take a couple of minutes for the sardines to cook. Now that we see our bubbles, we'll add our ichimi, and we're just going to cover the entire sardine in this. After that, we're just going to let it cook just for a minute or two, and then you're done. That's it for your spicy sardines. So take them out, put them on a plate. Doesn't matter how they look. They are a little slippery though. All right, we got them on our plate. We're not gonna waste any of the sauce. So here's the rest of the habanero sauce that we had in our can. Put it all over your sardines, and we're just gonna top it off with some green onions. I like green onions a lot, so we're gonna put a lot on it today. All right, so that's it. These are the sardines that we made today. Now you can enjoy these as they are, or you can eat them with rice. If you can't find the sardines that we used today, you can just use sardines that are in chili oil or just a regular sardine in a can. They're spicy, so enjoy, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. That's good. Bye.